Let me give you this free Afrobeat pack that you can actually use to create your Afrobeat or amapiano. Think of any vibe that you want to achieve. You can use this one shot drum packs, all right? And we're gonna do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Godstar once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FS Studio now, and I'm gonna give you this one shot Afrobeat pack. Alright, you can actually use to create any beat. So let's walk through them. Let me delete everything here. Boom. Alright, so it comes with bongo. You can hear that they are well tuned. The kicks are amazing. Punching. You feel this? So I'm going to drag this. Alright. Alright, let's create a simple Afro vibe drums. So let's go for 4 steps. You can feel the vibe, guys. I'm gonna drag this one. We're gonna start with this 112 BPM. Boom, guys. Let's lower the volume a little bit, change to song, bring the drums here, and now you can feel the vibe. So this is crazy. This is free for you. You can actually download. Let's create more. Go to piano roll. I'm gonna delay this, alright, so that we feel 4 bars. Go to piano roll. Highlight everything. Control B. Boom, like this. We do the same thing for the rim shot. Highlight this one. Control plus B on the keyboard. We do the same thing for the shakers. Boom. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, because this is the only channel that you'll be getting things for free. Alright, most of the producers will be selling it to you, but I will give you free things. Alright, so subscribe so that you won't miss this amazing free. Alright, so now let's fill the rest of the bars like this. Listen. Let's add this pick. Crazy, guys. We're gonna keep it simple like that. Fill the rest of the bars like this. So you can actually see that this sample pack is amazing. Listen. Not feeling. Alright, so let's go and add some. Let's choose this one. Go to piano roll option. Keep everything simple, guys. If you want to create nice and catchy Afro beats, you can watch the video that will pop up on the screen. The 9 things that you have to put in your mind to create a banger Afro beat. Download this free sample packs right after watching this video. You can tell the difference. We are using this one shot. Alright guys, so let's add this peg also. Super simple like this. Alright guys, so this sample pack is free. You can download this and start using it to make your Afrobeat amapiano. Super dope. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Godsai. Come back for more. If you want free amapiano drum loops, then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. Until then, let me know where you are watching me from. Like the video, share it, stay blessed.